request you. You can turn me down, but you seldom turn me down. But I want you to sing that song again for the benefit of our viewers in Tamil Nadu and across India.
Dear viewers, this is a song actually sung by the superstar Rajinikanth in a movie called Morantikkalai, which is a Jallikattu festival happening there. Basically, Jallikattu, as I said earlier on the show, this is for the people who joined me late. Please understand one thing. We people in Tamil Nadu are peace-loving people. We treat animals, especially cows and bulls, like our gods.
Okay?
That's why we have something called Mattu Pongal, which maybe people like Ambika and others don't know across the north. There's something called Mattu Pongal, where we treat them and we do puja for the cows and the bulls on a particular day, and that is what we do. That's the kind of respect we give for cows and
okay.
And the movie song itself, it talks about the Jallikattu is about what? Poduvaga em manasu singam போட்டினா வந்து சிங்கம் பொதுவாக எம் மனசு தங்கம் போட்டினா வந்து சிங்கம் நல்லதே செய்வேன் நல்லதே நினைப்பேன் வெற்றி மேல் வெற்றி பெறும் ஆடுவோம் பாடுவோம் கொண்டாடுவோம் ஆடுவோம் பாடுவோம் கொண்டாடுவோம். That is our Jallikattu, man. We are all Tamilians. I'm proud to be a Tamilian. தமிழ் வாழ்க, தமிழன் வாழ்க, ஜல்லிக்கட்டு வாழ்க, தமிழர்கள் விடாதீங்க. நம்ம ஊர் கல்ச்சர் யாராலும் பாடக்கூடாது.